Imagine a plant that has clothed civilizations, healed patients, fed communities, and sparked global controversy. For thousands of years, cannabis has been one of humanity's most useful and misunderstood plants. The cannabis plant is scientifically known as Cannabis sativa and belongs to the Cannabaceae family. Although names like Cannabis indica and Cannabis ruderalis are still widely used, many botanists consider them varieties or subspecies of Cannabis sativa. Cannabis originated in Central Asia before spreading across Europe, Africa, and the Americas through trade and cultivation. Today, it grows on every inhabited continent and is cultivated for a wide range of purposes. Its legal status varies around the world, but regardless of changing laws, cannabis remains one of the most extensively studied plants. Cannabis is a fast-growing annual plant that usually reaches between 1 and 4 meters in height. Its most recognizable feature is its distinctive leaves, made up of several long, narrow leaflets with sharply serrated edges. The foliage is typically bright or deep green, although some varieties develop striking purple or reddish tones as they mature. Cannabis produces separate male and female plants. Male plants develop clusters of pollen sacs, while female plants produce dense flowers covered in tiny resin glands called trichomes. These microscopic crystals contain cannabinoids and aromatic compounds that give each variety its distinctive scent, ranging from earthy and woody to citrusy or pine-like. Cannabis grows best in warm climates with long hours of sunlight, fertile, well-drained soil, and regular watering during early growth. As the plant matures, good airflow becomes increasingly important because dense foliage can trap moisture and encourage mold. Given enough sunlight, nutrients, and water, cannabis grows remarkably quickly, with many varieties completing their entire life cycle within just a few months. Its adaptability is one reason it has been cultivated across so many regions throughout history. Few plants are as versatile as cannabis. Industrial hemp provides strong natural fibers used to make rope, textiles, paper, biodegradable plastics, insulation, and building materials such as hempcrete. Hemp seeds are rich in protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making them a nutritious food source. Cannabis is also known for compounds called cannabinoids. The best known are THC, which produces psychoactive effects, and CBD, which does not. Scientists continue studying these compounds for their potential role in treating epilepsy, chronic pain, multiple sclerosis, and chemotherapy-related nausea. Where permitted by law, cannabis is also used recreationally, supporting a growing global industry. Humans have cultivated cannabis for thousands of years. Archaeological evidence suggests it was grown in ancient China more than 10,000 years ago for fiber, food, and medicine. From there, it spread along trade routes into India, the Middle East, and Europe. Hemp became an essential material for ropes, sails, clothing, and paper, helping support trade and exploration for centuries. During the 20th century, many countries imposed strict restrictions because of concerns over recreational use. In recent decades, scientific research has encouraged many governments to reconsider its medical and industrial value. Cannabis produces more than 500 natural compounds, including over 100 known cannabinoids. The sticky trichomes covering female flowers help protect the plant from insects, harmful sunlight, and dehydration. Hemp is also one of the fastest growing renewable crops on Earth, with some varieties growing several centimeters in a single day. Researchers have even used hemp in environmental cleanup projects because its roots can help remove certain contaminants from polluted soils through a process called phytoremediation. Where cultivation is legal, cannabis grows best with abundant sunlight, balanced nutrients, moderate watering, and good airflow. Growers often prune excess foliage to improve light penetration and reduce humidity around developing flowers. Careful management throughout the flowering stage helps produce healthy plants while reducing the risk of mold and disease. Hemp grown for fiber is harvested before flowering, while seed crops remain in the field longer. Cannabis grown for medicinal or recreational use is harvested when the flowers reach peak maturity. After cutting, they are carefully dried and cured for several weeks to preserve their aroma, flavor, and important chemical compounds. The cannabis plant is far more than a symbol of controversy. For thousands of years, it has provided food, fiber, medicine, and renewable materials that have shaped human societies. Whether viewed through the lens of science or history, few plants have had such an enduring impact on civilization. What plant would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to discover more fascinating stories from the plant kingdom, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.